Imagine living over 3,000 years ago on the island of Crete and having a flush toilet. Yep, while most of the ancient world was still figuring out how not to smell like death, the Minoan civilization had indoor plumbing, running water and terracotta pipes carrying away waste like a mini ancient sewage system. Their palaces, like Knossos, had multi-story bathrooms with flushing mechanisms that wouldn't appear again until the 19th century. That's nearly 3,000 years ahead of their time. The Minoans weren't just good at art and trade, they were literally living cleaner and smarter than most of Europe for millennia. So next time you flush your toilet, remember, you're using tech the ancient Minoans already mastered thousands of years ago.